Welcome to my channel, you all. Monique D, and I am giving you an update on this right here. Yes, I am updating you all. I've been doing a little bit of gardening. This is my first year actually having a raised garden bed or a raised vegetable bed. So I'm going to take you in, let you see some of how I put this cover on. I actually used some PVC pipes. I also went to Lowe's, and Lowe's had this plastic netting, and the plastic netting was actually in between their layers of bricks and blocks that they sell. And I asked them, hey, can I have that? And they said, yeah, take as much as you want. So I went back a few days at a time and I accumulated them. I used zip ties to put it together. So stay tuned. Let's take a closer look at the garden.